Assalamualaikum. He was sitting there, wondering why the world took hold. Oh, his time alone, he would pray for answers. Oh, then he heard a voice telling him to read his ooh. He was scared and shaken by the light he saw. Angel Gabriel was sent from right above. Jibreel alayhi salam, the words he said, you're the chosen one, chosen by Rabbil Alameen, the prophet for all humanity, to spread the word. Oh Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you're Allah's chosen one. He left the cave, running home to tell Khadija, Radiyallahu anha. She spoke the wisest words, Allah will never let you down. Allahu Akbar. She went to Wadaka, her cousin who was a wise man. He said the signs are clear, they're from the Almighty. He said the words are holy and from Ilahi's angel Jibreel alayhi salam. The words he said, you're the chosen one, chosen by Rabbil Alameen, the prophet for all humanity, to spread the word. Oh Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you're Allah's chosen one. The chosen one to spread the truth from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The chosen one, though the road is long, just know Allah won't let you lose your way. You are the mercy for mankind, you are the teacher for this life. Allah has blessed you with the Quran. Rasul Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you're Allah's chosen one. The chosen one to spread the truth from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The chosen one, though the road is long, just know Allah won't let you lose your way. You are the mercy for mankind, you are the teacher for this life. Allah has blessed you with the Quran. Rasul Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you're Allah's chosen one.